Hey guys, today we can see all the wash machines and yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's go. So this is an LG. That is a washer dryer. It's 9 kilogram wash and 5 kilogram dry. This is whoa, really cool. Yeah, small drum, but yeah. Yeah, it has jet sprays. Look at that, really cool. Alright, let me see. This is a Hisense. Yeah, it's broom plug-it. It's an inverter motor. Yeah. Alright, let's see other ones. Oh, this is another LG. Yeah, it's unplugged, neat. Yeah, but it has like older drum, but don't worry, it has bigger drum. So yep. Oh, that Fagor. This is a Fagor. Fagor has a Vestel drum, but it's not a brush motor. Alright, let me do a quick review. Oh, this is a Bosch dryer. Oh, here. Oh, this is a Bosch dryer. Look at that, very beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. Huh? Alright. This is a Calive dryer. Door, okay.